Did you know there's a mysterious global phenomenon called the hum? It's a persistent, low-frequency sound, but only about 2% of people can actually hear it. Imagine a constant, faint engine idling, but nobody else hears a thing. For those who do, it can be maddening, often strongest indoors and at night. Is it geological, industrial, or something stranger? Scientists are baffled, with theories ranging from distant industrial noise to internal body sounds. Some say it's psychoacoustic, but for the hearers, it's undeniably real. What if you're one of them and just haven't focused enough to notice? It makes you wonder what else is happening just beyond our perception. Hit that like button if you found this fascinating, and subscribe to Labubu for more bizarre facts that will make you question everything.